fresh air in your Airbnb. Specialized cleaning by Komffy Maids. A clean and well-maintained property not only enhances guest satisfaction, but also contributes to positive reviews and repeat bookings. Komffy Maids specializes in tailored cleaning solutions for Airbnb properties, ensuring a spotless environment from common areas to bedrooms and bathrooms. Our team is trained to meticulously clean and sanitize every inch of your property, adhering to thorough sanitization protocols with industry-approved disinfectants. This commitment to cleanliness provides peace of mind to both hosts and guests, prioritizing health and safety. Recognizing the unique nature of each Airbnb property, Komffy Maids offers customized cleaning plans to meet specific requirements. Whether you manage a cozy studio apartment or a sprawling vacation home, our team collaborates with you to develop a cleaning schedule that fits your needs and budget. Elevate your Airbnb property's appeal with Komffy Maids' specialized cleaning services. Contact us today to discuss your unique needs and let us create a cleaning plan that exceeds your expectations. Breathe in the freshness, and let Komffy Maids transform your Airbnb into a haven for guests seeking a delightful and pristine stay.